Hey, hello, namaste. Welcome to the Gullus in the Kitchen. Today now I am making an easy method of Bellam Paramanam, with everybody can do in the home with an easy recipe with low quantities, and it is an Navratri special, and everybody can do in temples and in home for Dasara home with Jaggery and rice, and yellow moong dal is an main ingredients. Let's see the recipe what I am adding. Jaggery 1 full cup, milk 1 cup, and rice half cup, yellow moong dal half cup. Soak the rice and yellow moong dal minimum 1 hour for soak, and ilachi for essence flavors, ilachi flavor. This is the recipe of Bellam Paramanam. Catch my recipes and follow my channel to know more my recipes. First take the vessel and pour water. And remove the rice from soaked water. Then add soaked moong dal. Cook it on a low flame. Cook it nicely. Rice and dal should be visible a little bit. When your cooking is finished, don't overcook it also. Next add milk. Whisk it. Then cook it for 10 minutes in low flame. You can see so it's boiling. 50% is off the color. Then it's like 30 minutes. And then add Jaggery and ilachi. It's a tasty recipe and easy to make also. Then add Jaggery. You can see color is changed, and cook it on a low flame. Rice and dal was boiled. You can see how I cooked. Only 80% is cooked. Then add cardamom powder. If you want to add dry fruits, you can add kismis, raisins, kaju. If you want to add, I am adding ghee. Then cook it nicely on low flame for again 5 minutes. Then remove it. You can see the texture how rice and dal is cooked. Cook it like this only. You can feel the eating texture when you taste. After cooking the jaggery rice, place the deccan, cover it nicely, and now I am serving. Place the deccan for 5 minutes minimum. You can see how rice and dal is visible easily. Finally, jaggery rice is over. Bellam Paramanam. You can add top on kaju, kismis for like garnish. You can see here rice and dal is visible. If you cook like this, you can eat 4-5 spoons extra. Nice recipe, and thanks for watching.